Have you ever wondered why some men seem to effortlessly attract women, while others struggle to even get noticed? What if I told you that there's a simple, two-word phrase that can transform the way women perceive you? In today's video, I'm going to reveal this powerful secret that can make any woman you desire gravitate towards you, regardless of her initial interest. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence and clarity to make a lasting impression on any woman you meet. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Start with confidence. Be assured and proactive. Using just 2 words, you can attract any woman you desire. Surprised? Just by confidently saying these words, you can significantly alter how women perceive you. These words aren't just about what you say, but also how you say them. The tone, the confidence, and the intention behind them play a crucial role in their effectiveness. The power of 2 simple words. In today's video, I'm revealing how a straightforward phrase can help you attract any woman. These aren't magic words, but used correctly, they can transform your interactions with women. Their power is astonishing, especially when spoken with confidence and intention. Understanding the psychology behind these words can give you an edge in your interactions. Women are naturally drawn to men who are clear and confident about what they want. It signals strength and reliability, 2 traits that are universally attractive. Applying the technique. Before we dive in, remember to like and subscribe to support the channel. Your support helps me keep creating valuable content. Plus, it signals to the algorithm that this video is worth sharing, helping more people access this information. When you engage with this content, you're not just helping the channel, you're also helping yourself by making sure you get more insights and tips to improve your dating life. Avoiding common mistakes. Many men make the mistake of being too accommodating or indecisive with women, saying things like, "We can do whatever you want," or, "I don't know, whatever you prefer." This uncertainty doesn't project confidence, which can quickly diminish a woman's interest. Being overly flexible can make you seem like you lack direction or are too eager to please, which can be unattractive. Women appreciate men who are assertive and can take the lead, as it shows they are capable and dependable. The secret phrase, "I want." The 2 powerful words are, "I want." While they might seem insignificant, they show decisiveness and confidence, which women find irresistible. Saying, "I want," is not just a request. It demonstrates clarity and leadership. These words show that you know what you want and are not afraid to go after it. This kind of decisiveness is attractive because it shows that you are self-assured and confident in your desires. Real-life application. Now, how do you use these words in daily life? Instead of being vague when asking a woman out, be direct. For example, say, "I want to take you to dinner this Friday." This approach shows confidence and decisiveness, making you more attractive. It's about being clear and direct about your intentions without being overbearing. When you make your desires known confidently, it can be very appealing. Starting conversations. When starting a conversation, be clear and direct. Instead of being shy, say, "I want to get to know you better. How about we grab a coffee this week?" This reflects honesty and clarity, which are very attractive qualities. Being straightforward in your approach can set the tone for a more honest and open relationship. It shows that you are interested and willing to take the initiative, which can be very appealing. Advanced relationship stages. In a more advanced relationship, use "I want" to express your desires positively. Instead of saying, "Whatever you prefer is fine," be clear and direct, like, "I want to spend more time with you this weekend. How about we plan something together?" This shows you value your time together and are proactive in strengthening the relationship. Being clear about your desires can help build a stronger, more understanding relationship. It shows that you're invested in the relationship and are willing to put in the effort to make it work. Confidence versus arrogance. It's crucial to distinguish confidence from arrogance. Using "I want" gives you an air of security and clarity without being pushy. However, if you don't approach it with respect and empathy, it can be misunderstood. It's about being clear with your intentions while leaving room for dialogue. Confidence is about being sure of yourself and your desires, while arrogance is about being overbearing and dismissive of others' needs. Make sure you strike the right balance. Respectful flexibility. For example, if you say, "I want us to go out for dinner tomorrow," and she replies that she can't, respond with flexibility and understanding like, "Sure, I understand. How about Saturday instead?" This shows you respect her preferences while being decisive. It's about being assertive, but also being willing to compromise. This balance shows that you are confident, but also considerate, which can be very appealing. Building mutual respect. Using "I want" also creates an opportunity for her to express what she wants. When you're honest and clear, you give her the space to be the same. This helps build a relationship based on mutual respect and open communication. It's important to remember that relationships are a two-way street. Being clear about your desires can encourage her to be open about hers, fostering a deeper connection and understanding. The importance of tone. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Your tone and attitude are key. You don't want to sound authoritarian or as if you're giving orders. The key is to keep your tone kind and respectful, showing confidence while being open to her input. The way you say things can greatly impact how they are received. A confident but respectful tone can make your words much more effective. Challenge for you. Now that you understand the power of these words, put them into practice. My challenge to you is to use the phrase "I want" 5 times a day for the next week. Whether in big or small situations, start building that confidence. Use it with women, friends, or just in your daily life. Start noticing the changes in how people react to you. By being clear and confident in your desires, you will start to see a shift in how others perceive you. The impact of change. You'll notice people reacting differently. They'll respect you more, feel more attracted to you, and see you as someone who knows what they want. Confidence is contagious. When you start using "I want" confidently, others will start seeing you in a new light. They will begin to respect you more and be more drawn to you. Take action. We've reached the end of this video, but before you go, remember to apply what you've learned. Comment below on how you plan to use "I want" this week and share your experiences. I'm sure you'll see amazing results, and I'd love to hear about them. Final thoughts. I hope this video has been helpful. If you'd like more tips, comment on this video with the phrase, "I am the best version of myself" for women. And if you're looking to level up in life, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps support the channel and enables me to create more content for you. Feel free to leave your thoughts or comments below, and remember to keep a positive attitude. See you next time. Additional tips. As you continue to use "I want" in your daily interactions, pay attention to the feedback you receive. Every situation is an opportunity to refine your approach. Remember, confidence is a skill that can be developed over time. Practice makes perfect, and the more you use these words, the more natural they will feel. Confidence is key in attracting and maintaining a relationship with a woman. By using the phrase "I want" with the right tone and intention, you can create a powerful impact on how you are perceived. Start today and watch as your interactions become more positive and fulfilling. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay confident and clear about what you want.